always remember this. Love is not only a feeling. Because feelings, they come and they go. Love is a decision. Kaya kahit hindi mo feel, you still decide to love the person. Paulo, Jazz, marami kayong pagdadaan. Pero sana, katulad na nangyayari ngayon, anumang pagsubok, magkahawa kamay kayo. At siya ang magiging forever. Maging tapat sa pag-ibig, maging wagas, at laang kamatay para sa inyo.
Hindi ko lang na-expect na darating tong araw na to. Magsusuot ako ng wedding gown.
So, that night when our eyes met was the moment that changed everything. A moment turned in a lifetime that brought us here today in front of God. I was about to lose hope, not only in love, but also to myself, that very day that you looked at me. I've been praying to Him that one day, may I be able to have someone in my life to share a love na hindi na kailangan ipilit, hindi yung no choice na lang, hindi yung napasabak na, but a love that is so sure, committed, and passionate.
Pagkailan pa man, kahit
I saw your strength at ang pagiging mapagmahal mo sa pamilya mo, sa akin, kay Miggy, higit sa lahat sa Diyos. You are not perfect, pero ikaw ang perfect para sa akin. Kumbaga sa kape, nakuha mo yung tamang timpla.
ko bibitawan iyong mga kamay hanggang hangong magaan. Ang hapo'y mamatay, tatapusin natin ang pagsikat ng araw hanggang wala.
I'm just happy for this day. I'm thankful. Kompleto tayo lahat.
I love you. I love you.
You were my safe space to be who I am. You let me love my life. You let me embrace my flaws, my imperfections. You let me love myself more emotionally, physically, and spiritually. And I have never been more certain.
You gave me a purpose in life. Salamat at pinaramdam mo sa akin kung paano ang totoong pagmamahal. Salamat sa pag-alaga mo sa amin, higit sa lahat. Salamat sa pagtyaga mo sa akin.
From 3 a.m. random talks about life, to being your drinking buddy, to being the mother of our son, and to saving my life. You were always still there. You were still sure and committed to me.
Bibitawan ang iyong mga kamay hanggang hangong magaan. Ang
nothing in this world I'd rather do than to marry the love of my life, mother of my child, and our future children. The woman who brings us the best in me. Pinangako ko na I will be faithful and a better person for our family. Mahal kita.
Apoy mamatay, tatapusin natin ang pagsikat ng araw hanggang wala nang matanaw. Mahal kundi ikaw.
I vow to be a good mother to our Miguel Angelo and to our future more children. Sa'yo lang ako uuwi dahil ikaw ang aking pahinga. You are my home. You are my soulmate. I love you so much.
Did you come here of your own free accord and willing to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?